Every election, we are given a chance to choose leaders who will shape the future of our community and our country. But every election, we also face the same problem, both buying. Many people still accept money, food, or gifts in exchange for their vote. Some think it is normal, some think it is harmless. Some think it is just one vote. But the truth is simple. Both buying destroys our future. When we sell our vote, we are not just accepting money. We are giving away our right to choose honest and responsible leader.
Hello, pare. Punta ka muna dito. May ibigay ako sa'yo.
We allow corrupt people to enter position of power. We accept leaders who only want the position, not the responsibility. A leader who buy votes will never feel the need to serve the people because they did not win through trust. They won through money.
Siguro ang malalaman naman talaga yung mayaman, yung famous, tulad ka sa tao. Sila rin ang may pang-ayuda. Sila rin ang nakikita sa TV. Sila rin ang mga nakakarating sa barangay. At may mga nagsasabi pa, wala naman akong laban dyan. Sila rin ang mga naglalaban sa taas.
And that is exactly how corruption works. Some people accept money because they need it. That is reality. But there is another thing. Leaders who buy votes will never fix the problem of voting. Because if people stop being poor, they can no longer be people. That's why vote buying continues.
If we want real change, we must start by changing what we allow. We must stop thinking that pera lang ito, maliit lang naman, because no amount of money can replace honest government, good education, better hospitals, safe roads, and a future where we can dream. Don't choose a leader because they are popular. Popularity fades. Don't choose a leader because they are rich. Money can buy attention, but not integrity.
We still have the power to change this. We can say no to vote buying. We can choose a leader based on action, discipline, values, and honesty.
Let us protect it. Let us honor it. Let us use it wisely. Remember, ang boto mo hindi lang para sa'yo. Para ito sa pamilya mo, sa mga kapatid mo, sa magiging anak mo at sa susunod na henerasyon.